There's nothing I love more than getting a Starbucks drink, preferably pink, and just matching it to my outfit and my sunglasses. It's a mood. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Talia for those of you who may be new here, and I mostly post beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on all of my trendy videos. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all my favorite girly Starbucks drinks. Fun fact, I used to work at Starbucks 12 years ago. Back then the menu was overwhelming to memorize, and it has expanded even more ever since then. So kudos to the Starbucks baristas for taking care of our drink orders. I know how overwhelming it can be, but overall I did enjoy working there. So here are 8 of my favorite girly Starbucks drinks. So I do have a little list here on my phone of my favorite girly Starbucks drinks. That way I can share the description with you guys. But my first favorite girly Starbucks drink is one of their newest drinks, and it is the iced guava passion fruit drink. It's so pretty and pink, and oh my goodness, it's delicious. So in this drink there is a guava juice blended with notes of passion fruit, pineapple, and ginger, hand shaken with ice and coconut milk. And it is a smooth and creamy refreshment, and like I said, this is so good, perfect for those hot summer months. It's very refreshing and I absolutely love it. My second favorite girly Starbucks drink is a classic, and that is called the pink drink. This drink is so pretty. I absolutely love taking pictures of it and posting it on my Instagram account. It's such an aesthetic. And in this drink you will find strawberry acai refreshers beverage with accents of passion fruit and coconut milk. It is creamy, fruity, and refreshing. I always go for this drink whenever I'm unsure of what to order. It's just a classic favorite of mine. My third favorite Starbucks drink is a strawberry acai lemonade. This drink is so fruity and refreshing. I love drinking it on a hot summer day, and lemonade is one of my all-time favorite drinks, and I especially love it with strawberry in there. So in this drink you will find strawberry, passion fruit, and lemonade. So simple and so yummy. My fourth favorite girly Starbucks drink is a strawberry Frappuccino. I remember making these at Starbucks when I used to work there, and they are so cute and girly, and I just love the pink. So in this drink you will find that it's blended with ice, milk, and strawberry puree, topped with whipped cream, and it is creamy and fruity. Again, I just love this drink. It's a perfect little dessert drink. My fifth favorite girly Starbucks drink is another Frappuccino, and this one is called a vanilla bean Frappuccino. I love this drink. It is so tasty. You probably thought I was going to say delicious, but it's that as well. I should take a sip every time I say delicious. But you're going to be hearing that a lot in this video. And this drink is also perfect for kids because it has a nice vanilla flavor and there's no coffee in it. I'm not sure if you guys noticed or not, but a lot of these Starbucks drinks that I'm mentioning are coffee free. I'm not a huge coffee drinker, to be honest with you, but I do enjoy a couple of coffee drinks, and I think there's one on this list with coffee in it. But this drink has no coffee in it. What you will find in a vanilla bean Frappuccino is it's blended with ice, milk, and vanilla bean powder, topped with whipped cream. It's very creamy and sweet. It's another one of my favorite dessert drinks. My sixth favorite girly Starbucks drink is an iced passion tango tea lemonade. Wow, say that 10 times fast. It's a tongue twister. But I remember making this drink when I used to work at Starbucks. Again, I absolutely loved it. It's so refreshing. And in this drink, you will find that it has hibiscus, lemongrass, and apple, hand shaken with ice, lemonade, and passion fruit. Again, it's so refreshing. I love lemonade. And it's a cute dark pink color, so it's perfect for pictures as well. My seventh favorite girly Starbucks drink is an iced guava white tea lemonade. This is a new favorite of mine this year. It is so yummy, and what you will find in this drink is guava flavored fruit juice, Tiavana iced white tea, and lemonade sweetened with liquid cane, sugar, and handshaken with ice. It has a cute light pink peachy color to it as well, so it's perfect to snap a picture for your Instagram account. And again, it's just so refreshing, perfect for a hot summer day. And last but not least is my 8th favorite girly Starbucks drink, and it's a coffee one. It is the Iced White Chocolate Mocha. This is an all-time favorite of mine whenever I am craving coffee. I've been drinking this drink for the past 12 years now. I don't have it often, but I discovered it when I worked at Starbucks, and it's just so delicious and so creamy. What you will find in this drink is white chocolate sauce, milk and ice topped with whipped cream. Again, it's sweet and creamy. You can have this drink hot or blended. I like them all 3 ways, but I prefer it iced. And then during the holidays, I like to add peppermint to it. So a peppermint white chocolate mocha. Oh my goodness, it's so good. And yeah, those are all of my favorite girly Starbucks drinks. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if you will be trying a new Starbucks drink that I recommended. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!